guys, I'm Young, and it's time that we take our drone out for our upcoming summer holidays. Whether it's grand, overseas, but I think most of you guys probably do something domestic, something nearby. But that should not stop us taking our drone out for some amazing drone footage to capture your beautiful moments. So the last couple of days I went through all my drone files, especially to do with summer holidays. The places that I went for summer vacation, the beach, the waters, and so on. And I want to share with you guys on 5 top drone moves that you can use with any drones. Not just DJI drones, not just Mavic Air 2, but also Mini 2, Air 2S, and also any other drones that you have with you. So the first move is my absolute favorite at the beach.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up?
So this is actually a droney footage. Droney, what is pre-programmed with DJI drones. With that, all you need to do is just wave at the camera and the drone will automatically fly away and above. And it's perfect for the beach because you have the open outer space on the ocean, and of course drone is safe, very safe to fly in the ocean as long as you're not too near the water surface.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where...
Now we got some moment to get going. I want to introduce you guys to a sponsor of today's video, NordVPN. So if you guys are traveling, you guys want to stay very safe using the internet, and NordVPN, which I do use when I especially go overseas, so I can get all the internet access as if I was still at home but by the beautiful beach. So right now I have NordVPN installed on my laptop as well as my mobile phone, and you can actually even install it on Android TV as well. So if I just want to get connected to, say, Thailand VPN, if any of you guys are from Thailand, then all I need to do is just click and it's connecting. Yep. That was really quick, don't you think? That took, I think, about 1 second there. So if you're traveling abroad and you can't miss a show, but it's only shown in your native country, then you can use NordVPN to access it in any location that you're in. And if any of you guys are game lover, then you have 59 countries to choose from, then maybe you might be able to find some discount somewhere. So if you want to find out more about NordVPN, who has thankfully sponsored this video, then please go to the URL below. I'll have the link down below as well. And the coupon code is YOUNG360 to get a 2-year plan plus a bonus gift, and with a huge discount, especially if you sign up during this summertime. So the second move that you want to definitely try by the beach is the beautiful slow motion by the wave. I mean, don't go absolutely crazy because the wave can crash into the drone. I've seen that happen in some other videos on YouTube. But if you make sure you set the slow-mo either 60 frames per second if the wave is not too fast, but if you want to really slow it down, then you can go much slower at 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second. Although I must say 60 frames per second, especially because it keeps resolution at 4K in available devices. At 4K resolution, just half speed slow down, you get some beautiful footage like this. And the third shot is activity shot. If you do some exciting activities such as parasailing or jet skiing, then you want to make sure you capture that on your drone. However, don't get too greedy with, trying to film everything, because that would not make filming or holiday experience that fun. Just make sure you take turn. So if you're actually doing activity, make sure you have your Insta360 One R or GoPro, and then film yourself while there. And then once you're back on the land and you have some time, when you only have time, then make sure you use it, because some other holiday makers, they are doing the same activity as well. And then for drone, doesn't matter. It's taking the shot from far above, so it doesn't really matter whether you're actually doing it or not. Just make sure you get the same activity on the drone shot so that you can compile together to get these amazing shots. Oh my god. Whoa. I'm just trying to level my eyes because I don't love heights, but it does feel great. I feel like Mavic Mini. And the 4-shot that I like. Here I got the rocket quick shot mode, which automatically flies above, and that's perfect for swimming pool shot. So by now, I'm sure you would have already got some beautiful shots during daytime with the drone. You had a lot of fun doing different activities. So the last shot, the 5th shot that I want to share with you is the sunset shot. So during summertime, getting up early for sunrise is a little bit tough. You have to wake up at like 4 a.m., maybe 5 a.m. to get some beautiful sunrise shots. So I just give up. But after you've done your activities, you took shower and then you came out, you're enjoying the sunset by the beach, drinking some cocktail. Okay, this is actually not a cocktail. I just ate watermelon. So if you're just, chilling by the beach, then maybe you get that sort of 20-minute, 30-minute slot before your dinner is served. In that case, you can just take your drone out and fly low by the water first, and then rise up to catch that beautiful sunset. So I hope you guys enjoyed those top 5 summer drone ideas. None of them are, new, none of them are difficult, but I think that's the beauty of it, because you can really focus on enjoying time with your family and friends. And then if you have some chance to fly the drone, then you can just quickly capture those beautiful moments. So I hope you guys have wonderful holidays and fly safe, and also use internet safer by using NordVPN, today's sponsor of the video. So do make sure to check out the package below, and I'll come back with other interesting tech reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!